I got my mind made up, come on. Get into it. Get into it. Let it ride. Let it ride, let it ride. Tonight's the night. Ride, ride. Yeah, come on.
Nobody does it better.
Hai, Assalamualaikum. Pagi, Bentley flying guys. Tukar cermin depan. Nak tengok? Mari.
Run it down, set it off, let it off, get it back. This, twist, this is one of my flavors. Gorillas, lion, and tiger, they all of my neighbors. Swinging from a vine like, stepping my line like. My kids and my wife and my life got my mind right. Now what did you do when they spray with the AK? Nigga, cause it lasts on the late. We got this for the street, let it stand up. We don't know. Last pass with the focus, now you rolling with the liquor, spin the pimpers and the hippers, and I'm like,
Once we get a song, we home. Crime got me in a zone. Homies blowing up the celly phones. The world knew I had to come once more. And just to let y'all know, I do my thing and still blow. I'm straight high. Original, they never will be. Let it ride. We got the drum I'm straight high. You cats don't know.
Just trying to make you see.
Nobody does it better. Come on, enough to burn. 10 mil sales confirmed, the most anticipated since Tyson's return. So come on everybody, let's all get down.
Let me that though, your boy talking like we don't though.
Never will you ever be able to fuck with me. Never will I ever stop bustin', I'm making heat. Whenever I retire, I'ma still be making beats. Shit that keep your head bobbing, keep moving your feet.
Can never claim to be a gangster, nigga, just gangster. Now take a sip of something, let me entertain you. This funk is for them rowdy niggas, liable to shank you. A cock back blast with no questions asked, so just hold tight. Don't let the liquor run your whole night. Don't let a second of courage fuck up your whole life. I play the cut and analyze the view. Push up my glass to acknowledge just the chosen few. Cause I don't fuck with many, especially the tough ones off a glass of Henny. Especially the ones always frontin' that don't have a penny. I run with niggas that demand respect, and I'm a boss bitch, most y'all can't handle that. All you can do is watch a glide. It take a special type of nigga bout something that can stop a stride. Cause I can't respect the nigga that's soft, and I bet y'all never seen it coming. Me and my nigga Nate, dog.
Come closer than close. Yeah.
I'm straight high.
Original, they never will be.
Let it ride. Let it ride, let it ride.
We run from coast to coast. Yeah.
I'm straight high. You cats don't know.
Just trying to make you see. Nobody
cats don't know. Listen, money is missing and it's hectic.
Hai, nak lebih info berkenaan cermin kereta? Like, follow, comment, share. Terang pagi.
Ain't nobody heard from him, but money talks and most niggas are snakes. So it wasn't long before his man was ready to take.